guys, we're back. I'm here right now with a 2018 Mercedes C63s Convertible. I'm going to be doing a little change to the grille. This grille's cool, but I think this one's cooler. The new updated, I believe it's 2020. This is the 2018. So you can see it's just very simple. That one has a lot more going on to it, so it's a lot cooler. And then I'll get going and show you guys all the different things you have to take out before yanking this bumper all the way off so that we can put that new grille back in. Alright, so got 3 of them out. Boom, boom, boom. So that was the boom, boom, boom. And this is actually a 10, not a torque. So threw the 10 on there, gonna get it out now. Alright, so I got this side out and that. So I put the towel so it doesn't get scratched to help protect. Put one right here as well. Pulled these guys out, unplugged the camera right here. Just push that down and pull out. Starting to get it off. I believe there are going to be a screw over here, screw further down there holding it in, some 10s. So if we look under, I almost forgot about these guys. We got a boom, boom, and another one in here, boom. And then I may have to take these off, but I do not believe so. Alright, so I'm trying to get it clear, but on both sides there's a 10 right here. So there's one here, and there's going to be one in the same spot over here. I have to get those out, and then the bumper will fall right off. Alright, so it's off now. This is where the screws were in this guy and this guy. And about to start getting this out. Already started a little bit. Get the rest of it out, bob it out. Throw the new guy in there, and then throw the camera in the new guy.
Same exact grill as that one. Oh, no, not AMG.
Alright, so here is the old one. The new one is in, so you can see a difference there. It is definitely a difference. So the 2018, 2020 right here. We got a little bit of a facelift for this vert. I'll show some more video on it when I get it all put back together and on.